Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Beach Buggy racing game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then you can type in Beach Buggy Racing within the search box and then begin your search. Once you find the Beach Buggy racing game, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will now begin the download and installation of the game. Just wait for a little while until the installation completes. And once it is completed, you will find the play button. You can now just tap on this button to open up the game within your device. And once it is opened up, you can proceed with signing in and creating your new account or logging in to start enjoying right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Beach Buggy racing game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.